Hi, I'm Kristen, fashion DIY blogger for Glitter and Glue. Today we're here at Citizens of Humanity and I'm going to show you how to deconstruct a pair of jeans. Everybody wants to take an old pair of jeans and turn them into denim shorts. So for this project, what you're going to need, a pair of scissors and some sandpaper. Now you want to make sure that you get your cuts kind of even on each leg. You don't want one leg being a little bit longer than the other. So my suggestion is to take your jeans and to fold them in half. Then that way it's easy to take your scissors and just give one big cut. So then that way you have a better chance of your shorts being even. Now for the ends, you're going to want to give them a little bit of decoration. And you're just going to take your sandpaper and start sanding away on the edges. That way it's not that fresh, clean cut and it looks like, oh, my jeans have been like this for years. And then you're going to make sure you do the other side too. And that's how you deconstruct jeans. My name's Kristen Turner from Glitter and Glue. Thanks for watching.